Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're checking out one of the coolest Hyatts in America. This is the Chicago Athletic Association. It's located right next to Millennium Park, right next to the famous Bean in Chicago that you've seen. Lots of history at this hotel. It used to be an athletic club back in the day that the Wrigleys were members of, all the big elite in Chicago in the 20s and 30s. The lobby kept in immaculate condition, really has a lot of history in here. First floor has a lot going on. They actually have a Shake Shack, which is pretty cool. You can skip the line as part of your perks for being a guest. There's also a Topgolf suite, as well as some like history displays that show some of the artifacts from the Athletic Association, which is pretty cool. The lobby is on the second floor. So we're going to check that out in a sec, but this is where the Topgolf suite is. So you can rent these, obviously an extra charge, but you can play different sports besides golf. But it's basically a fancy golf simulator, sports simulator, which is fun to do inside of Chicago, especially during my winter stay. Nice and chilly outside. And then this is actually indoor pickleball courts. So this used to be the indoor pool at the Athletic Association. So they covered that up and they have a nice little area to check out some pickleball. Here's those displays I was talking about. Some of the old members of the Athletic Association. Super cool stuff. And I will say they really kept the athletic theme going throughout the hotel, including inside the rooms, which I thought was really cool and a great touch and a great sense of space. I mean, this hotel is really, really fun to stay at if you're visiting Chicago. I was here for work, so one other big aspect of the hotel that people love is the top floor Cindy's. So it has a great view of the lake and the Bean and Millennium Park during the summer months and when it's not all foggy outside. The lobby has a big Harry Potter feel. As a Globalist with Hyatt, I got free breakfast, so I used that voucher each day for pretty much anything on the menu. And then I went upstairs to check out my room. So I did get a nice little upgrade here. Not a true suite, but definitely a junior suite. Everything kind of fitting in the room here, but you can see the gymnastics equipment there at the edge of the bed, kind of keeping with that athletic theme. It's definitely a 1940s sort of dormitory feel in a good way. There's the view from outside. Definitely a little loud at night. You could hear some homeless people arguing outside, but that's Chicago in the Loop at night, so nothing you can really do about that. But if you are noise conscious, that was where the noise was coming from. Couldn't hear anything else in the hotel. Of course, you got a little dry bar area. You have your coffees. You have a nice little fridge for storing things. Really a lot of space here to store stuff, which is great. And they had a nice little bureau to hang some clothes. You have robes as well, which is nice in Chicago during the winter. Also to theme, which I love. If you watch the channel, I love a good themed hotel, especially at Disney World, and this is a great little Chicago themed hotel. Now we're gonna head into the bathroom. Really cool bathroom, nice and big. One critique I have often with hotels, bathrooms aren't big enough. This was an adequate size for sure. Good water pressure and good heat. So on the lobby floor, there's also a cool sports bar. They have lots of games. They have shuffleboard. They have bocce ball. Really a lot of fun. This gets hopping at night with people that aren't staying at the hotel. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff here and has a great bar menu and food. So this is called the game room. And it kind of is an extension of the lobby. There's also a cool Speakeasy right next to it that I'll show you in a sec called the Milk Room. And then in the very back is the Cherry Circle room where I had dinner, and I'll show you my dinner there, but here's a nice shot of the lobby. So there's really cool old dark wood. They've kept that up amazingly. Shot of breakfast here. So you kind of sit at these chairs. There are some tables, but kind of lower sitting chairs. It's where they can serve you breakfast. So kind of a casual vibe there. Heading upstairs is the gym, and appropriately enough, the Chicago Athletic Association has a fantastic gym. Good size for a city hotel, nice high ceilings. Got your Peloton, you got brand new equipment, kinesis machines, all that stuff, rowing machines. Really impressed with this for a city hotel. Everything you could really need to exercise, and not a gigantic hotel, so I don't think it'll get too busy except for in those morning rush hour times. Yeah, you can even rent some equipment and use the basketball court indoors. So lots of little benefits here, kind of little city resort feel almost. No pool or anything like that, but unfortunately the basketball court was taken up by a conference as well. So now we're in the Cherry Circle room. Fun fact, the logo of the Chicago Athletic Association has a big red C, and Wrigley, who was a member of the hotel, actually stole that logo for the Chicago Cubs. Super cool. We had some nice marinated warmed olives, which are just absolutely fantastic. One of my favorite things I've ever eaten. Good steak there, grilled to perfection. Some nice little hollandaise sauce. Oh, it was really good. And a nice little dark interior, and this actually got nominated for like a James Beard Award for interiors. And then here's the milk room, so that's a cool little speakeasy there. Stayed 3 nights at the hotel, so got to try a few different things on the breakfast menu, but overall just had a fantastic time here at the Chicago Athletic Association. Would definitely stay again next time in Chicago. Thanks a lot for watching.